What's up, peeps, and welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to do is revive your dry, matted, fugly hair. So I've been wearing my hair in a bun for like a whole month now. You know, mom of six is like very hard for me to just stop and take some time and, you know, do things for myself, like get my nails done and my hair done and everything. So today I was doing some research and I was looking up hair masks. So today we're going to create our own little hair mask with things that we have around the house, and hopefully everything comes out right and we transform these curls to something lovely, because right now I'm looking like a bird's nest. All right, let's get to it. I found around my house. I got some honey, I have conditioner, coconut oil that I'm going to melt before I put in there, and I have an egg, and I didn't get it on camera, but I also had juice from a lemon as well. That's for like shine and everything. And we're going to get to mixing. Let's go. I have my son here. He's mixing up the product, and this is how it should look once it's done mixing. So remember, that's the coconut oil, the conditioner, we have honey, and lemon that we didn't get on camera. So mix it up, mix it up. Good job.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay, so in case you forget about what kind of products that we used in this video, well, ingredients that we used for this hair mask for the video, I'm going to put it down in the description box. Also, if you like my video, please hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to my little world here on Simply Angel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell, so every time that I upload, which I upload very frequently, you will be notified, so that, you know, you can come check out my new videos. All right. So now we're going to start applying the mask to the hair. And first I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. All right, let's get to it. All right, so let's get started. We're going to start off by wetting the hair. That's just water and conditioner in that bottle. I know it says pump it up, but it's definitely just water and conditioner. And I didn't know I was going to do a voiceover in this video, so disregard me just talking up a storm to nothing. Okay, so I'm starting off just taking my finger and I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections to make it easier to apply the product to my hair, because it's very thick and very curly. So when I put my hair in 4 sections, it makes it a lot easier to manage and handle. Still parting my hair. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the front to show you guys exactly how I apply the product. And there's our mixture. Once again, that is conditioner, honey, egg, lemon, and coconut oil. And here I am starting at the top with my roots, and I'm raking it in with my fingers. And it smells really good, by the way. And I'm just steady taking more of the mask and raking more into my hair so that it fully saturates all my strands from the top to the bottom. And as you go along, make sure you're detangling your hair with your fingers so that when you rinse it out and comb it, it'll be a lot easier. And a lot of girls know with that thick curly hair that anything to make the combing process a lot easier, please do. My hair is so damaged from me dyeing my hair so much this year. It's just falling out. It's so sad. Oh, my hair, poor hair. Alright, now back to this back part of my hair. Taking it out the ponytail holder. Going to start from the top and work my way to the bottom. And the strand's still shedding. Now that I have the hair mask in, I'm letting it sit for 30 minutes, and once that is done, I'm going to wash it out and let me show you the finished product. Okay. Okay, so I got it all rinsed out and shiny clean and whatnot. So once it's dry, I'm going to take this towel out and I'm going to let you guys see exactly how my curls look once it's done. Hopefully they spring back into action. We shall see, but I'll see you guys soon. So here's my hair all dried out, and actually, I can see it's a little bit of a difference, but you know, comment below and let me know what you think, or if you have any suggestions for the next video that we are going to do together, or if you have any ideas on a hair mask that we can do all together, just let me know. But I'm actually impressed. It looks a lot better. So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.